How to fix Clipchamp export not working, or if you are unable to export your project on Clipchamp. Well, hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can fix export not working on Clipchamp. Well, first things first, if you are unable to export it, what you can do is you can simply head over to your Windows and head over to your settings. Once you're on the settings, you'll get this option apps. Head over to apps, and under apps, head over to installed apps. Under installed apps, you can either scroll down or you can simply use the search apps option there to look in for Clipchamp. Then you'll get the Clipchamp, tap on the three dots beside it and tap on advanced option. Now here, all you gotta do is scroll down and you'll get the option to reset. If this app isn't working right, we can try to repair it. The app's data won't be affected. So previously I was having the issue and I did the same and it fixed my issue as well. So you can repair it. Once you repair it, if you are still having the error, then you'll have to reset it. But after doing that, unfortunately, all your data or your unsaved projects will be deleted. So this is how you can easily fix Clipchamp export not working. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave the comments down below if you have any further issues as well.